Okay, so welcome everyone. We start our live trading session. It is a Monday, Monday 9th of October. What will be our plan? As always, we prepare some trading plans that we can trade today. And if there would be really good ideas, we are going to trade them today during this session, as it was Bitcoin Cash on previous live. In a case if there would be no ideas, I will show to you a statistic, will show to you how our previous plan played out and what is the best pattern. That's why what I ask you to do right now, at this moment, write from 1 to 10 about audio quality. Rate me, please, your audio quality. From 1 to 10, write, please, about audio quality. Okay, 10. Good. So many coins get dropped as we planned. No momento, signore. I sent update to everyone that we started. Okay, good. Good. 10. Friends, I need more feedbacks about from you about audio quality. Where are you? I'm here. Peter, I'm here. Anastasia. Hello, hello. Hello from Slovenia. At this point, write to me. Let's make a tradition because I would like to create some traditions during such sessions, live sessions. And our tradition will be every day we will write from what place we are watching this stream. I am here, I stream from Lviv, Ukraine. And write to me, where is your place? Where are you watching me right now, from what place on this beautiful planet? And let's go to, as I told you, what plan? First, I analyzed top coins that we can trade after. I shared with you a statistic of trades that we took previous week. And after that, I will reply to you to some about your questions. And if during this session would be a really good trading ideas, we are going to trade them live. From bedroom, good. Good. Lisbon, Portugal. I have a lot of friends at this moment in Lisbon. What's going on with camera? Okay, our camera doesn't work really well. Our magic camera somehow stopped working really well. That's why let's do this one. Okay, let's go to trading ideas that we can trade at this moment. I read all your comments. That's why, friends, remember to write where you're watching at this moment. It is our tradition. Uzhhorod, Ukraine, Lisbon, Portugal. Alexander, tell me please about English. Is it good for you? Do you understand everything? Hi, hello. Hello from Ukraine, Nizhyn City. Good. Oleg, tell me please about, do you like when we speak English? Is it good for you? Okay. Let's start, as always, let's start from BTC. Because at this moment, why we always start our analysis from Bitcoin? Because on Bitcoin, we can see what will be potentially with entire market. Bitcoin, as I told to many people, I do believe that Bitcoin globally in a downtrend. Globally, I do believe that Bitcoin, when this trend line were broken, started downtrend. I do believe in that. But as always, we should take trades at best places. And like as I mentioned in many videos, in many streams, my major key areas where I would start looking for trades on BTC for short, it is one of this area. Honestly, I would be really happy if BTC would test POC here, reach this 30,000 or at least 29,300 areas. Remember, it is area. It is not like only one like key level where we should trade it. It must be area. That's why I would be happy if BTC would do some pullback and after that reaching this area. I, by the way, sent this trading plan to our community. I sent that plan yesterday when I recorded this BTC update. Also, I published. Also, for all of you, I published this update into our public Telegram channel. That's why for all of you, I highly recommend you to be part of that channel. Uno momento. Let me find invite link and send to you. Here would be, I sent into a chat a link to our Telegram channel. Highly recommend you to subscribe to be updated because BTC updates on daily basis I sent there. That's why that's our plan. What about long entry? I would be happy if BTC would reach this area below this level. It would be exactly here below 27. If there would be some significant volume, we would take a long entry, but there must be significant volume to consider it in this area. I set alerts. That's why I think during this stream that would be a good update. What next? Few words about Ethereum. Ethereum at this moment is going to hit one of these important levels, and at this moment I would not recommend you to take trade right now in the middle because yes, volume big. Volume increased on this beautiful coin, but at this moment it is not the best way to take a trade because exactly right now it is not a moment where you take trade on Ethereum. Still, I expect that Ethereum would hit one of these levels and only there could be some reversal. Without BTC bullish, I would not like it. About BNB, BNB in the middle of this range with no reaction, while BTC did rise, while many other coins rose, BTC did nothing. That's why, friends, about BNB, there potentially could be a breakdown. Potentially, BNB can make a breakdown. Also, I think you notice that BNB took this liquidity from higher levels, this massive pullback. That means breakdown of this 200 could make even bigger drop. But main problem that I don't have like its exact plan at this moment with BNB because it is not what I trade. About Dogecoin, at this moment, Dogecoin did beautiful breakdown of these levels. And if Dogecoin somehow would reach this level, this lower low, here I would consider taking SVP pattern at this level. I set alerts and wait for it. APT, the same. I would wait for SVP. APT did this beautiful breakdown of this local area, but at this moment, it's not a place where I would take entry. If APT would make lower low, especially would be additional big volume, we might take entry. And this might happen during this stream. Solana. Solana, friends, may be one of the best and the most beautiful coin during this week. Island of Man, or for me, it's interesting. How do you how it's to live on that island? Because I heard about it, but how it's to be on island? Greetings, yes, greetings. About Solana, guys. Solana, we traded with community, and I sent Solana signal. By the way, we picked exact top on Solana. I think if we would keep our Solana trade that we took it 3rd of October. It was exactly 6 days ago. If we would keep this trade that I sent as a signal, we might keep it even today, because have a look, Solana, it was at 24, and where Solana at this moment, Solana is here, hit 21.83. Here we took that short entry, imagine. We exactly found a top of a market. We found a top of a market, that was our stop loss, and at this moment we took such entry. But price at this moment dropping even more. And after that, when we took this entry on Solana, I sent to our community here trading plan about Solana that they can take short in a case of retest of this POC at 24. Have a look. And guess what happened with Solana? Yes, guys, Solana exactly retested POC. Have a look. It's exactly retested POC, and price at this moment dropped into this area. That's example for you, a proper place where you can take a trade. Have a look how they took, how they exactly bounced from this beautiful levels. Honestly, I think at this moment about Solana, that price with bigger chance will continue dropping. And because Solana already rose a lot after this significant pump. By the way, how many of you remember when we took a trade on Solana during previous stream? Guys, how many of you were here on a stream when we took Solana at 17,500? It was 11th of September. It was 1 month ago. How many of you was on that stream and took Solana with me? Share with me at this moment in the comments. Oh, with this light, it would be better. What if we would make this 25%? Oh, good. How many of you were at that trade? Guys, none of you? It's really sad. What we did during that stream? What we exactly did? Here, we took Solana trade. Let me show to you exactly that trade. Guys, in the future, when you will have such trades, it will be a period when you will make a fortune on such trades. Let me show you. Let me show you the trade. It was exactly this one. How many of you remember this? At least write plus or minus. Write at this moment plus in the chat if you took that Solana trade with me. Write minus if you didn't do. If you didn't take the trade with me. Because the trade that I shared with you, it was the best example on the planet. Minus. What I am drinking, tea. Beautiful English tea, by the way. Have a look. It was exactly this trade. Let me show you. We took a trade here. It was at 17.30. What was major reason of this trade? Because massive volume started to appear in a footprint of Solana, and I made 1,250 USD on that trades. And guys, have a look. If you zoom out this trade, we found exactly a bottom of Solana. Imagine if we would keep this trade until today, it would be not 1,200, it would be 12K. That's example for you how powerful our streams. Have a look. Exactly bottom. And Solana after that, as you can see, rose additional 40%. And we did this stuff during live session. It was exactly during live sessions. That's why that's example for you. That's beautiful example for you, my friends, why all of you should be here on this live sessions. For you, what I do here would be a link to that stream, previous stream where we took it. It was exactly in a second part. You might watch it in the future to understand how to predict market reversal with such accuracy. This would be a really powerful tool for you. And here we predicted exactly top of Solana because Solana at this moment dropping really beautifully from our trade. That's example for you, my friends, why you should follow us, because with such insane accuracy, you will learn how to trade. Because most of teachers on YouTube never do live sessions with you and show to you how this stuff really works. That's why about Solana summary. I do believe Solana can minimum would drop into this area to 2060 because to cover this imbalance and to retest VWAP, anchor VWAP. That's why at this moment, any deeper pullback we should consider as potential entry for short. Or if price ranging, stop loss hunt, we take short. One of the scenarios we can trade on Solana. Matic pump dumped at this moment, nothing to do. Honestly, with bigger chance today, there would be nothing to trade because market already dropped a lot, and there would be no potential entry. Share with me in the comments how many of you traded with me on previous session Bitcoin Cash. How many of you did it? Write plus if you traded Bitcoin Cash on previous session and minus if you didn't. Okay, I can see that part of you didn't. Or guys, those of you that traded, did some of you keep it? Does some of you keep it, Bitcash? Because Bitcoin Cash, we can find Bitcoin Cash. It was another trade. No, I didn't edit that trade. Give me a few seconds. Un momento, signore. I'm looking for you the trade on Bitcoin Cash to show you how we took the trade. No, I close it. Just saw the end of that stream. That's how I found your channel. You mean you saw end of a stream where we traded Solana or Bitcash? Tell me, please. Because on this stream, my friend, you'll find a lot of stuff that will help you become profitable. Because most of people on YouTube would never show you the stuff that we shared with you here because they don't know how to trade. They record stuff on statistic, something like that. But in reality, they don't know how to trade. It was where is the trade? Okay, good. It was exactly here. Good. It was exactly here, my friends. Let me show you those trades. Trade analysis, we did it here on a previous stream. Here's the trades for you from a previous stream that we did on a previous week. Have a look. I did first Bitcoin Cash here. Price hit break even. Honestly, it's really sad because this one, it was really powerful place. But because of taking small stop loss, have a look. We exactly picked a top of Bitcoin Cash. It was exactly a top. On a previous live session, price rose after our short entry only additionally 0.6%. And after that, at this moment, dropped 16%. 16 fucking percent, guys. Fucking 16%. I hope you watch this stream without your children. That's example for you why you should trade only in a proper places. Have a look. Example for you, Solana. Example for you, Solana bottom. Example for you, Solana top. Many people come to us and they want signals like every day or something like that. But you need to trade only in the proper places. Quacker, good, awesome. And in the future, that would be really good stuff. My kid, she is 9. Okay, I would try to use more polite language. Hi from Slovenia. Good. Okay. Yeah, that was a nice entry. I would say, my friend, it was really perfect entry. And all of you must see that it is not like we did it one time. Like first streams that we started on 9th of September, we picked bottom of BTC, previous top of Bitcoin Cash, trades that we shared with community, exactly points from which price bounces. That's example for you that it is not a coincidence. It is really powerful strategies that I highly recommend you, by the way, to learn. That's why about Bitcash, let's finish this trading plan. About Bitcash, main problem with Bitcash at this moment that after this massive pump that happened here, I do believe that Bitcash possibly can reach this area. But to take entry at this moment, it's a little bit late to take short entry because like risk to reward ratio would be horrible, and anytime there could be some deeper pullback. But I do believe they would retest this area where all of this pump started, especially if BTC would make some drop. That's why any deeper pullback, especially into this area, it would be best place for us to consider short. That's it. And by the way, friends, by the way, at this moment, I ask you to push like on this stream because you see how really powerful tool we share with you. We help you to become profitable, to make money on this market, to find best places where you will have big chance for making profits. I think it's worth your like because more people will see it. And remember, as bigger audience here, we would do the streams on a weekly basis. If our audience grow, we understand that you like it and we would go on. If you want us to continue, remember to support us with like and subscribe. Yeah, that's good, my friend. When you learn all our tools, you'll become way, way more profitable. You'll understand in what cases how to find such market reversals as I did. Okay, Bitcash. Friends, about Link. Link broke all of this trend. Link broke all of this trend. Honestly, good entry was in a night because there were massive delta and volume here, exactly here. Honestly, at this moment, bigger chance that Link will go down and take this level. But my friends, honestly, it is not what I trade. Like I do believe a big chance I would hit it. World coin bounced from anchored VWAP. At this moment, nothing to do. OP, big breakdown. Gala, big breakdown. AVAX. My God, I would like to show you one stuff on. You are top profitable. Big guys will close your channel. Man, it's impossible. Any plans to release notice a task for Mac? I'm not Mac developer. I only the partner, and I speak directly with them. I know developers. I know CEO, CTO. Honestly, when you have Mac OS, it is the worstest thing for audio flow platforms because doesn't matter what platform you use. Only really shitty platforms work for Mac. That's it. Emma, I'm here for the first time today. Emma, hello, nice to see you here. Tell me, please, where you're from. Nice to meet you. For APT, should we enter long? About APT, I told you my plan. If APT at this moment would do a SVP of this level, we would take long. APT already did this fake out of this important level, and with lower low, we would take entry because at this moment, stop loss would be too big. Have a look. In the case of stop loss, 2.7% too big. But if they would do SVP, it would be possible to take entry with stop loss size 1% and first target here and second target even into this area. When I have good trading plans, as you can see, I share it with our community members. About AVAX, as you can see, I send this AVAX and ARC, best places where to take, like Solana, POC. AVAX, have a look, guys, how AVAX reversed after this massive delta. I exactly sent this plan on AVAX to our community, and it's so sad that this idea happened during Saturday morning. Because I waited so much for this reversal on AVAX, but this one didn't happen. It's really sad. Key update now. Mike, would you be willing to stream some other day during the week? Because I have to be at firm on Mondays. I might plan to move it to Tuesday because Tuesday I think it is a better day for trading. And I would consider to start doing it on Tuesday if more people would ask, especially. Okay, at this moment, what I would like to trade today, and let's cover coins in a plate that we have coins that would BNT. We should open storage, the RX, and liquidity. Let's cover also those coins. What we have here, BNT. Storage, open interest increasing so much in this area. Let's open storage, the RX, pump and dump, coin pumped and dumped, and LQ2TU. Also, let's open those coins because maybe there would be significant delta that we could use as a potential reversal, as on AVAX. Tell me at this moment, write plus in the comments if you would like to me share with you explanation how we can trade coins in a play. Because at this moment, for major coins, there's no idea that I would like to trade on major coins because most of my plans already played out, and I trade according to my strategy. And if there is no signal according to our strategy, what we do? Yes, we do nothing. The hardest thing to do in trading, to do nothing. Let's do at least 20 pluses in the chat, and I will explain to you how to trade coins in a plate. Because if there would be only one plus, we won't do it. I'm in a short BTC since 28.3. At which price would you close to the trade? 27.2, or would you let it open? Thank you, Andre. Andre, about BTC, let's come back to BTC at this moment. Your entry 28,300. First, I would like to see what will be with BTC price in the case of reaching this value area high. Because it is a really key point for BTC. In the case of breakdown of this volume, price easily can rotate even lower. Honestly, I would close this trade by parts. You took a trade here. What is your stop loss, by the way? What's your stop loss? Okay, I see only 1, 2, 3, 4 people that would like to learn how to trade coins in a play. Okay, guys, if you don't want it, I wouldn't share it. Once more, or write plus in a chat if you would like to see how to trade coins that at this moment moving a lot, or let's go to some other topic. At this moment at 28, but no, what was your initial risk? What is your current risk reward? What was your initial stop loss? And what is your stop loss risk per trade was in that situation? Okay, good. Good. How we can trade coins in a play? At this moment, stay focused here. We can trade coins in a play. There are several strategies. First strategy, it is for continue. How we can trade for continue. For example, you see that coin moves up, and after that coin start building some range. And during taking liquidity, here you can see significant clusters. You can take entry for continue. Or in a case of breakout significant volume profile, retest to that volume profile also could be as a second entry for continue. It is two major ideas that we use for continue. And also, there only one idea that you can use for reversal. Can you guess what indicator should we use for reversal, guys? Let's make it fun. Let's make it fun, because I don't want to make it only as some lection. I would like to make some fun with you today. And remember to support with like if you enjoy what we do, because we do a lot of stuff for you. I know that sometimes it looks like I beg you for it, but that's how YouTube algorithm works. When you support with like, comment, something like that, YouTube show it to more people. That's it. To find reversal, we need delta indicator. To find reversal, we need delta indicator because you can see something like this. Price moves up, and after that, you can see massive acceleration with significant delta rise. That's a signal when you can take reversal entry. And you can take a knife. By the way, a trade that we took on a previous week on Bitcoin Cash, it was a knife. My question was, what indicator better to use to find market reversal? And the answer, friends, is super simple. Delta. We need delta. Example for you, a trade that we took on a previous week during live session. Where is the trade? And how you can find such coins with such significant delta, etc. Let's open this one. Come here. Example for you, trade on a previous week, guys. This Bitcoin Cash that dropped by 17%. And have a look. The same stuff happened today. Not today, on weekends with other coins. As you can see in our community, I share with our community members trading plans. And what that stuff means for people that finish our education programs, they can trade by themselves, and it is ideas that we can trade. And example for you, have a look, ARC. I waited on Friday to take same reversal on ARC as we did on Bitcoin Cash. As you can see, I sent plan additional higher high with delta spike. We must take short. And guess what happened with ARC? Yeah, of course, have a look. ARC hit those levels and beautiful delta spike. Delta were 4.17 millions on Binance only and massive volume spike. And have a look how price exactly after this did reversal. ARC, you should know that from this level dropped by 17%. That's example for you how you can find market reversals with insane accuracy by using delta indicator in the proper places. But you cannot use it just because like in the middle of a range. Example for you, delta here in the middle of a range. In that case, no, it won't help you. Like this one, in the middle of a range, in the middle, no. There must be special stuff. Delta must do special stuff, must accelerate, and that's it. That's why when you analyze coins that at this moment moves a lot, what you do, you can wait while this coin accelerate big delta and try to take reversal. That's why let's add all of these coins at this moment on the list. It will be BNT, ZRX, Storage, and the LQTU. Good. Have a look how volume pumped so much on BNT. Oh my God. You should analyze this coin deeply because with bigger chance any level on this coin could be significant because market maker on this coin would be really different compared to what's going on with other coins. Let's do the settings, template, my working space, dark work, my working space. Okay, we set alerts here. The RX already pumped and dumped. Honestly, at this moment, there's nothing to do. Interesting to see how price reversed. 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Storage, that's what I like the most when we have such range and price did higher high. And here I think there were a big delta. We would analyze those coins at this moment within few minutes. LQTU, and let's look at this coin because this coin with bigger chance would take higher high, and maybe that would be delta. We might take delta some reversal on that coin. Good. Okay. Any questions at this moment? Any questions at this moment? And let's go to, let's open those coins in a platform. Those coins you got from CoinAlyze, where are they from? An alert you had set. If so, what is the alert for? I analyze rise of open interest. It is a coins where open interest increased a lot. Rise of open interest with bigger chance means that coins pumping. If coins pumping, it is really worth to check it. LQ. Let's open a platform. How many of you at this moment knows, guys, about this order flow platform? Share with me in the comments how many of you used order flow platform before. And also, for me, it's important question. Share with me in the chat. What is far more important for you, education in trading, or for you, it's better to get signals? For me, right? Education or signals? What's better? Mm. Mm. Both, both, both. Okay, friends, before we open a platform and analyze those coins inside, what I would like to do, I would like to invite all of you to join our education plus signals program. What we did a special program for you that would be the best, because I know that part of you would like to learn this stuff, and part of you would like to get signals where you can take trades. That's why below this video there would be this link. Open this form, fill the form. After, my team will send to you information, because we have a course where we teach all of this stuff. And you saw that we found a bottom on Solana after that 40% rise, tap on Bitcoin Cash, 20% drop after that. What we share with you, it is the real stuff. And most of trading educators never do this stuff live with you. That's why it's worth for you to consider. Plus, some of you came here because you're looking for signals, and when I see beautiful trades, I share it with you. Even example on the previous week, Solana trade. Solana trades that I sent, stop loss take profit. Bitcoin trade, stop loss take profit. Also after that updates when we take trades. Sometimes there would be stop losses. Remember that I'm not I don't promise you that like there would be 100% win rate, but I promise to you that we do really powerful trades. That's why fill that form. Also, you can write to my team on Telegram or Instagram. Here would be a bot. This bot connected to my team, and you can communicate if you like through Telegram or Instagram. Okay, let's go to those coins that I showed to you. I sent to you that link. That's why I would like to pin this link that you would have a possibility to open and send info to my team. Okay. Let's open those coins. Let's open, guys, those coins that I mentioned, and at this moment, let's build detailed trading plans. Okay, at this moment about Ethereum, Delta at this moment on Ethereum on 4 hour hit 51,000. Volume increased on Ethereum. Honestly, I waited for some local SVP on Ethereum after this significant drop, because volume quite big enough. And this volume appears so much times at bottom on Ethereum that's it's not good for continue dropping. That's why I do believe there must be some pullback before future drop. A few minutes ago, I saw significant delta on Solana. Let's open. Where is Solana? Solana is here. Not so big. Have a look. Example for you why delta is super important. That's example for you. Remember, I shared with you a post where I wrote about important level at 24. Have a look. When Solana retested that level, there was beautiful delta spike. Delta were 287,000. And let's open lower time frame 5 minutes, because as bigger delta on lower time frame, bigger possibility for local reversal. Have a look. Holy, nearly all of this delta entered into this 5 minute candle. It was perfect liquidity grab. It was perfect liquidity grab. Have a look. Let's move it here. Something like this we need for a beautiful market reversal. Let's look at AVAX that I sent as the trading plans, how they reversed. Have a look. AVAX, have a look, guys. 5-minute candle, 15-minute candle, 790,000 coins traded. Let's open 5-minute candle. Really beautiful delta. Beautiful delta in all of this in acceleration and massive volume. That's how you look for reversal, my guys. Which bar volume proportion setting are you using on a task? Visible chart, whole chart, visible chart. Visible chart, my friend. Okay, let's, because at this moment I don't think we would trade those coins. Let's go to analyze those coins that we mentioned today about BNT. BNT, let's open how it looks. You're welcome, my friend. Both BNT. At this moment on BNT, let's open bigger scale. Always when you do market analysis, always start with analyzing bigger scale of what's going on with the market, because sometimes when you open too small time frame, there's nothing to do. Honestly, this coin I don't like. How many of you would can tell me why I don't like current coin BNT? Write your guess in a chat. Why I don't like BNT coin? Who can write your thoughts and ideas? Why I don't like BNT coin? I would do something special for you. If you would, for those persons that would be right. Yeah, it has no volume. No volume at this moment. You can see that this volume, the volume, but this volume so small, like low market cap and small volume, went up without any retracement. No, the most important, friends, no volume. I don't like such coins because at any time they can drop so much, and you never know when this coin stop. That's why BNT I immediately delete from this list because it's not worth our attention. Let's open storage and LQTU. They could be manipulated so much, I would tell you, my friend. There could be so big manipulations. They would take all money from you. That's why you must be really careful. Okay, BNT or storage. Storage looks way better. We have this rise and drop in open interest, but still here only some higher high we can take as liquidity grab, because in other cases I don't like to trade such small cap coins. We need delta at least 11 millions here to consider some significant movement. As you can see, only after delta 8 millions or 7 millions, they did something. That's why delta here might minimum 10 millions with higher high. Only that could be our scalp entry for today. Only this one. What else? It's a storage, and let's open LQ. This one with bigger chance will do higher high soon. But again, have a look. Super tiny volume. No. I don't want to open that shit because too small volume. Too small. Again, have a look how many times I was nearly no volume. When you see something like this, it means that coin's super manipulated, and the market maker can do whatever they want. If they want, they can push 10%. If they want, they can drop 20. Like this one, the RX. Have a look. What the RX did? Massive pump and dump. And they just push, and at one moment, goodbye. That's the reason why I trade mostly top coins like Link, Bitcoin Cash, Solana, etc. Because they have a really big market cap. Have a look on this volume on Bitcoin Cash. How beautiful volume! How beautiful volume! It's just amazing. I enjoyed trading this coin because market maker here really serious guys, and they would protect this coin. They wouldn't move it like so many percent in one direction without any retest. But here, without retesting this area, nothing to do. Same with Solana. Honestly, this stream will be maybe the most boring stream that we had during the last several weeks. But you saw that when we have good ideas, we take it. Like Solana reversal, Bitcoin Cash reversal. I just don't want to take trade because I forced to or something like that. Ethereum drop by bouncing from this. Honestly, at this moment, friends, I would wait for some movement on BTC and after the trade, because coins in a play that we have today, I wouldn't like. I don't like to trade. Also, I would like to show you how ARC reversed after this significant delta. It was nearly the same as we traded on Bitcoin Cash. Do you see that most of the volume, delta nearly 4 millions, and most of the volume exactly were traded at high into these clusters? How do you know what is the big volume for each coin? Because I trade those coins for several years, and I trade top coins, and I have a special bot that sent to our community members where significant volume trades. Let me show you an example. Let me show you an example. Have a look. Like we have a special server that sent to our community members here, big size bot. It is what's the stuff? What this stuff do? This stuff analyze top coins. I added those lists personally. How I choose those coins? It just top coins that rated by volume. Top coins on Binance, Bybit that rated by volume. That's it. It is with 300 plus per 24 hours in average. And what I did by analyzing those coins by my hands, I did special settings that sent notification to our team. Example for you, like Link today. Have a look, Link. Link. What filters do we have on Link? Let me show you this Link. Today, Link, as you can see, at midnight. Do you see these numbers? Filed side. Do you see these numbers? Tell me, please. This one. And when we have significant volume, we receive alerts. Have a look. Like on Link, Delta, we receive notification at 23:47. The Delta reached on Link more than 300,000. Where did I get those numbers? Because I analyzed Link for a while. And here I set such alert. And after that, we get notification. And have a look. After that, another delta. And have a look after that what we receive. Significant volumes on link. On a spot market, what happened on a spot market? Someone started selling so much coins. Have a look. And after that, link dropped by 7%. And the people that in our community, have a look where it was, receive those notifications today during night, as you can see today at 0013. About how do I know big volume? Because it purely on my experience, because I analyze those coins for a while and I test it. For example, I test like 100,000 delta on link, how it played out. 100K, nothing. And the same I did for most of the coins. It's purely my experience. Did you check SUI potential SVP similar to APT? Let's check. Let's check SUI. Let's check SUI. Bam, bam, bam. Let's check SUI. SUI. Where is my chart? My chart is here. SUI. Oh, here. Yeah. By the way, I have alert already here, as you can see on SUI. Yeah, if SUI would make low, of course I would take it. My friend, you can be you can join our education program and we will help you with all of that stuff, with ATAS, with significant sizes, and even access to that board that we send in for. Which charts are the best to track for coins, volume, and big trades and delta, Binance, spot, futures, Bybit, USD, or all of them? Better to track where biggest volume traded. Of course, Binance, honestly, it would be the best for spot. Binance is a top. Honestly, for spot, Binance top, because let's open with you this data. What's going on? Why it's not loading? Uno momento, signore. Okay, exchanges, spot exchanges. You can see that biggest volume compare Binance volume. It is in 10 times bigger than any other exchange. That's why, of course, if you analyze spot, it is better to analyze it on Binance, of course. Honestly, if there would be some aggregated data on all footprints together, it would be maybe the best. But I didn't see stuff that really worth our attention that shows aggregated data. For derivatives, Binance still the biggest. That's why you must analyze it, and also Bybit, because have a look. Because only Binance and Bybit provide real-time data. What I mean by real-time data, only Binance and Bybit gives for most of the coins data with open interest real-time, especially on small cap coins, because most of other exchanges, they really give really horrible data that you cannot rely. Example for you at this moment, those coins that we analyze as coins in a play. Have a look. Binance, Bybit, open interest, the biggest. What else? Storage. Binance, Bybit, OKX. Just the biggest open interest, you can analyze those coins, that's it. LQTU, Binance and Bybit only. Like there would be a lot of coins where you will find open interest only from Binance and Bybit. Let's Solana storage, TB, Link, Doge. Who is Ethereum, Binance, Bybit, two biggest. Solana, Binance, Bybit. Storage, Binance, Bybit, OKX. TRB, Binance Bybit. So you can see, you will get most of the data. Dollar will fall, Israel. Explain to me a reason why dollar must fall. Explain to me a reason. What would be alternative? Tell me, please. You would like to speak about geopolitics before you write this stuff. Write to me about your education. What is your degree at this moment? Amar, tell me what's your degree at this moment. Before we dive into this huge topic about reserve currency and what makes currency important, tell me what do you know about macroeconomy? And if you reply after, we can discuss this topic. In other cases, like, is it true that the whales are on Bybit, as someone say? Whales are everywhere because they can open account on any exchanges. What's the problem to open on Binance, on Bybit? Because whales, it is institutional, and they can have a lot of entities. Even any hedge fund in US can open some on Marshall Islands, some entity and trade on Binance Bybit, and you wouldn't know because they would have access only to their platform. That's it. That's why. Plus, there are a lot of hedge funds, a lot of companies, Goldman Sachs, Barclays, JP Morgan, like every big bank, they have their trading desk. And of course, on those desks, they're part of people that trade crypto. That's why there are whales that purely do crypto, but there are a lot of traders that do many markets, and that's it. Okay, Ethereum. Ethereum, a bigger chance we do lower low, but it is not what I trade. It's not my pattern. Okay. Friends, at this moment, share with me. Would you like me to analyze a trade that I did during previous week? Share with me. Would you like me to analyze trades that we did during previous week? Write plus in the comments, and if you're interested, I would show you all my trades that I did during previous week, and will explain to you reasons why I took it, which of them played out, which of them didn't do, what mistakes I did, and how you can do better. But we need at least what it was. Did you see Dogecoin? They're playing with us. Okay, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But let's do this live stream. At this moment, we have 37 likes on this stream. Let's do at least 50. And when I see 50 likes on this stream, I immediately start sharing with you trades that we did from previous week. Okay? Let's do a deal. You push likes, at least 50 likes together. We need additional 13 likes for that. 42 at this moment. 8 likes, guys. 8 people need to push like, and in that case, we start sharing with you trades. Okay, how much at this moment? 46, guys. Only 4 likes we need. I pressed 50 times. Good. At this moment, right now, okay, before, friends, before we wait for a trade idea, let me summarize what we do at this moment, and after that go to trade analysis. At this moment, we wait for first about what is our plans at this moment. Let me come to why I didn't add APT. In most cases, at this moment, I wait for APT for hitting this level 483. In that case, we would take SVP for this level. The same could be for SUI. If SUI also would take this level, we also would consider taking SVP. Alert set. About any other coin at this moment, I don't see really good ideas that would be worth our attention, because in other cases, as like nothing according to my trading strategies. That's why I wait. That's it. On APT and SUI. About Ethereum, that could be potentially also taking lower low, but that's not my pattern. That's it. What is the difference between trading crypto versus trading stocks? Both have open interest delta, etc. How do you convince a friend that say crypto is a scam because, let's say, BlackRock with trillions of assets can combine all of this data from different exchanges into one and move the price? Okay, good. Guys, let me reply to this comment before we go to analyze our trades, because at this moment I can see 51 like. Okay, good. First, what's the reason why better to trade crypto? First reason, it is commissions, because you will need to buy data for trading crypto or for trading futures, like S&P or Nasdaq. You will need to buy data. It is the first one. Second one, you will pay for platforms, because even platforms that I use for order flow data, like most of the platforms that we use, when you trade crypto, for crypto you pay nothing, but for futures market and stock market you will pay 40 per month plus data. That means you have expenses even without taking any trades. The next one, amount of money that you need to start. On crypto, you actually can start with 10 USD on your account, 50 USD on your account, and you can start taking trades to build your experience, because without taking several hundred trades, you won't make any good experience in your strategy. It is way cheaper to do it on crypto. About scam, man, how many like Nicola stock? When some people say about scam, it is not a scam. For example, Nicola, market cap at peak several billions. Market cap at peak several $billion, and Nicola market cap. You would say companies that have no product valuated nearly 60 billion, something like that at top. Like if market cap at this moment 1 billion with 50 billions approximately, this company valuated, Nicola Corporated. Companies that told that they make tracks will use hydrogen. And at this moment it dropped by like from 63 to 1.15. It's not a scam. That's not a scam. A lot of people will tell you that their market is the best because they know that market, they know how to trade. Stock market have advantages and crypto have advantages. You will find scam on both markets. On both markets, people wanna find some signals to buy something like that. But as I told you, both of this market have advantages. For people like me, I'm from Ukraine, and I don't live in US time zone. It is way better to trade crypto because we have good opportunities during European session, American session, Asian session. We can start with different money because in poorer countries, to start, if you start on the stock market without 25K, you have nothing to do, because on interactive brokers, if you have less than 25K, you cannot trade it because they would, you must have, just by law, you must have more money. That's why to build trading experience, good to start in crypto. In the future, when you start making money, you can consider do stock, because logic is the same. Doesn't matter what asset you trade. Logic always the same. Price move because people buy or sell. And reasons, like Nicola, example for you, shitty company, really shit company. But have a look what happened. Massive pump. Why? Because market makers also want to make money here. Difference on cryptos, it is less regulated. That's why I trade only top coins. I do not buy some shit coins on some small exchanges, something like that. Because if you trade those coins, you don't like when you trade, but don't buy into spot wallet. For you, doesn't matter. You enter and you get out. You have DOM. Like at this moment, imagine if you would like to take a trade on APT coin. We have DOM. We can see all volume. We enter. If we don't like, we get out. Scam it or don't, or it's not a scam. Does it matter? Does it matter? It really makes sense for us. Okay, that was a really big message for you. Okay, I see, friends, as I promised to you, I see more than 50 likes, and I would like to show you trades that I took during previous week. Okay, during previous week I did 10 trades. By the way, on Friday I did 11 trades, but one trade I took on a stream on Friday, because on Friday I did a stream for our Ukrainian community. I did here a stream with Ukrainian community, and we took this Ethereum breakout. Let me explain for a start this Ethereum breakout. What was the reason? Here was a green, this green stuff. It is a place where I took long. It was purely scalp trade. What was major idea for this trade? Major idea was we had a lot of levels above. Let's open this screenshot and explain to you reasons. First reason, here big delta entered at bottom. Why is this delta were super important at bottom? This delta, as you can see at bottom, were absorbed. And have a look, a lot of levels. I took a trade for breakout of these levels. Honestly, price didn't do enough confirmation. That's why I didn't trade with my full volume. I did this trade to show people during stream that like we know what we do and we know how to predict price movement. And you can see that price did break out here, and after that did additional even 1.7% movement. It is this trade. Let's come to other trades that we took during previous week. Share plus with me if you like what I showed to you at this moment, because this stuff is important, guys. Most of you would never show to you the statistic. Tell me please, do you like what I do? Because like I analyze a lot of YouTubers and they never share with you statistic, real trades. Tell me, do you like it? Good. Super. Okay, let's, if you like it, let's cover all these trades that we took here. It was previous week. We started a week with Bitcoin Cash trades. Those of you that were on a previous stream, you would remember those trades. For a start, I took first trade before stream started. And here was this trade. Have a look. And this trade I took here after I saw massive delta. It was exactly a point where I took entry. And let's dive in. You can see massive delta spike. Massive delta spike. Because of that, I took entry. And my target was, you can see here, like it is screenshot with my entry exactly where I took it. Main reason, because I received notification about this delta. Like our bot, our big size bot sent notification to me that significant delta appeared. And you can see here, it was exactly my entry. And my mistake here is that I took target too big. My targets were a little bit, guys, too big. That's it. If my targets would be a little bit lower, in that case, I would like price hit this area. But if they would, as you can see, my first target were here, second target were here. It was too fast. Another trade that I took, it was also on Bitcoin Cash. I tried to, it was misclick with tiny volume. Let's cover this one. It is another trade when I started looking for reversal. It was, as you can see, stop loss 0.48%. And it is another trade that we took during a stream. We reopened a trade, but here it was my biggest mistake from previous week. It was my biggest mistake from previous week because it was if we would keep this trade at this moment, it would be already. It was exactly top of a market, 70% down. With stop loss only 1%, it would be 1 to 17 risk to reward ratio. 1 to 17. Ha. Okay. Another one. It was missed trade. It's a FOMO. After I missed the trade, I become so sad, and I took this trade, and after that closed it because I took it in a bad place, the stuff, and went into a gym. That's example for you. When you do one mistake, after that you can do another mistake, and they go one after another. That's why, like, if you didn't take it, take a rest. Okay, I took rest. On another day, we took this beautiful Solana trade. What was the major reason? Solana reached this important area, hit these levels. Also, Solana did higher high on Bybit. On Bybit, Solana did higher high. And delta on both Bybit and Binance were approximately 400,000. On Bybit, delta were even bigger, 480,000. It's a lot, honestly, guys. And by the way, that's a signal that I sent to our community because that's a signal that I sent to our community with exactly where to took a trade, set stop loss, etc. And after that, as you can see, I did all updates to people, went to move stop loss into profit, book 25%. When I open trades, I always, even this after that Bitcoin trade, I always send signal and do update for people. That's why after that, we took another trade. We took Bitcoin trade. A major reason why we took Bitcoin trade, it was a bounce because here in the community, I sent a plan. I sent this plan for community members. It was at 3rd of October. I sent a trade update that if Bitcoin take lower low because of the significant volume, we take trades. We would take long entry. And of course, when BTC did as we planned, I sent a signal and we took a trade. Major reason why we took a trade because major reason, guys, because BTC did a lower low several times. If you open lower time frame, you can see here lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low, 1, 2, 3 times. and quite often after that they go to take liquidity. We close the trade here. Major reason why we close it, because honestly my target were bigger. In that case, my target was for taking high, but when I saw this stuff, when I saw such significant volume in the clusters, I immediately sent a signal that we must close the trade, because in most cases, as you can see here, they push price from such volume. And like BTC did nearly lower low after that. That's why it was really good that we closed it. I close the trade when price hit my target or when I see opposite signal. And in this case, it was nearly opposite signal. What else? The next one, it was Matic breakout. Beautiful breakout. Major reason of this trade because of this rise of open interest you can see here. And Matic I also sent into our scalping signals. You can see here I like Matic long, this one, stop loss take profits, and after that all updates. Book 25%, book additional 25%, Matic book profit. As you can see, I sent all updates to our people. Major reason here was that after such significant levels, open interest started continue rising. In many cases, they would continue breakout. Honestly, I really sad that I didn't reverse on Matic after taking profit. Imagine here my profit, take profit. When I booked a higher profit, it was the best place for taking a reversal. And delta were really big. I really sad that I didn't do reversal trade. And the last one, guys, it's SUI. Also, as you can see, SUI trade, all trades that I share with you, it is real trades. On SUI, I saw this significant volume. And I thought SUI would make a rise because delta, really negative delta for several days. And what SUI did, small rise, and after that took my stop loss. And of course, this stop loss we also took with our community, like here, stop loss hit. About honestly, sometimes it's difficult for me to give signals when we have live streams, like at this moment, because like I'm learning to give also signals when I during live session, because it takes quite big concentration from me. What do you think about those trades? Rate from 1 to 10 about those trades. Do you like it? And remind to you that you can join our club, and where I send the signals, all good trades that I see, I say as a signal, send to you as a signals. And here below this video, there would be this link. What you do, just open this form, fill it, and after that, my team will contact with you and send to you all information about those programs. And you can join Education Plus Signals to learn how it works, and also making money by yourself. That's why also you can write here on Telegram, you can see, or Instagram, because maybe like if you like messengers, here would be our Bigger Trading Academy. You can write here, like choose best option for you where you can write. Also, you can write on Telegram by using Telegram bot. Okay, 10. Anastasia, thank you. Anastasia, remember this breakout on Ethereum that we took on Ukrainian stream? You can see how it played out. And after that, they did additional, as you can see, high. Exactly retested our entry. And after that, after this volume, they reversed. Both on BTC. Hey Yuri, why you use delta? Why not just use open interest in the volume? Because delta can show to me exactly places when someone got liquidated. I can see it by my own eyes when someone got liquidated. Okay, what's going on? Open interest rising. Some of you told me about. mm, mm, mhm. Okay. About this area, honestly, I don't like such places to consider as entry. Some of you wrote about break of structure on BTC. Honestly, I don't like such place to take entry because it's not the best area. And mm, because if they would reach this area here, I would consider taking entry because it would be a clear place where many people hide their stop losses. I know that at this moment they retest this value area low, and there are a chance that they could bounce from this area, but that's not my entry. You saw that my entry is different. Please, I'm trade in fake money. Send me 10 USD. Why would we? That's why at this moment, guys, about BTC still reaching this area would be a better place for us to consider something. About if Ethereum at this moment, for me, it's interesting to see how Ethereum would play out with this volume, but still, chance for taking lower low really huge. Delta sometimes means liquidation, not always, my friend. Depends where did the delta appeared. In some cases, it purely shows to you liquidation. This stuff I share on our education program, how to understand such market reversals as we did on Bitcoin Cash or we did on Solana. That's why join. I will show to you there. I will show to you there how you can do it. Ba, 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 ba. Honestly, guys, if Delta would be here like this one, 120K, that would be really cool place to take in lower low, this one. But at this moment, to take reversal after 50,000 Delta, honestly, it's not enough for me on Ethereum. Plus, Ethereum didn't hit important area. Because sometimes when Ethereum, as you can see, hit important level like this one, Ethereum did, they did reversal without any significant Delta because they just took stop losses of people that took trades here. But at this moment, just to take reversal trade, it's too late. For taking trade for continue, also it's not good. That's why sometimes better do nothing. Do you know that the hardest part in trading is to do nothing? Mm, Better to do nothing. Mm, okay. Please let me know about open interest. Is it also working in the future index? I added that indicator that flatted in TradingView and not working well for crypto chart. It is work because a big chance that exchange is not providing the data. Remember that all crypto exchanges provide open interest data, and that is the biggest advantage of a crypto market. That most of exchanges show you all data. Why those services as a high block capital work, something like that? Because it shows to you all volume that enter and get out. On a stock market, from other side, there are a lot of dark pools where you don't have all the data. That's why that's why I allow crypto, and that's why I use this indicator on the crypto market. But still, you should understand that all of those indicators, it is not a holy grail. If you don't understand price action, market cycles, those stuff won't help you, because I can show you many examples when on rise of open interest price reversed, and when on rise of open interest price continue movement. But only based on experience, based on price action plus order flow, you will have good combination. Alone, it won't work. There is no only one indicator on the planet that would give you massive advantage. It must be a combination. It must be a system. Guys, who agree with me that trading, it must be a combination of understanding price action, market cycle, and order flow, plus psychology? Or does there are people that believe that there could be one indicator that could show you exactly where to open entry? Let's make a vote. For me, it's interesting to see what most of you think. Write indicator into a chat if you think there or one holy indicator that will show you, and write into a chat a system. If you think there must be a system to understand and predict prices really like we did. Because why I share with you this stuff? A lot of people come to us on education, etc., and many of them come. They think they want stuff that that would show to you everything. But in reality, my friend, if you wanna have something like this, like I did this during this stream, just remember this stream that we traded on 4 weeks ago, 11th of September. Just remember this stream. Here on live, we found market reversal on BTC, and we took this beautiful trade on Solana. Entry price at that time was 17,564. 17,564. And at this moment, Solana hit 24. It means, my friend, 40% rise. 40% rise. Like my entry here, 1756. And after into this 40%. That's why to understand this stuff, how to do like this, you must learn, you must study. And best way where you can do it, you can join our education program. We have, by the way, we have a service where my students work with you personally and can guide you with all of these indicators and help you build the system, guide you, give you feedback about your trades. And because by yourself, it took 5 years to put it all together. You have a choice to invest 5 years or just join us. System. Yeah, guys, system. Jack XJ22 system 100%. What do you think about Elliott wave for analysis trading? First, about Elliott waves, it is super subjective, because people will start building waves completely differently. Some people would trade it completely differently for a start. I do believe that waves really have a play in a market, because I also understand waves theory, because when I analyze the market, I understand there must be like 1, 2, 3, and after that end of a cycle. I understand those cycles, and I trade them also. But at this moment, how would you build waves? Like this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or in some case, here you would build a waves like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or like it's super subjective, Elliott waves. I like structure. I like market structure, and I understand that in what cases price would reverse with bigger chance, in what cases not. But exactly waves, Elliott waves, I don't use it, because it's not a part of my system. Brother, you are great. If you remember, I'm your first fan. Yes, I remember. I remember you. How are you? How is your trading, by the way? Do you still trade FX? No, I don't. I trade only crypto. Better to be the best in one market than trade hundreds of markets. And on crypto, as you can see, what I started doing this live streams where I share with you my trades. During live streams, when we have opportunities, we take trades ideas with you because I want to do and put into YouTube what you don't have because. I analyze a lot of YouTubers. They super great YouTubers, but when you ask them, can you do a live trading session with me, at least privately? Most of them just start ignoring my messages. That's it. In that case, I understand that they are not real traders. But I do live sessions for you for free. Okay, let's do some additional analysis because market at this moment super boring, guys. At this moment, once more, Ethereum bigger chance for taking those levels, at least this one 5080. APT. If APT would do lower low, we set alerts. Magic after this drop is not reversing, also big chance for taking low, but it's not my strategy. I won't trade it because that's not my patterns. Bitcoin Cash, honestly, Bitcoin Cash did so beautiful movement. Have a look. Bitcoin Cash on Saturday gave to us so beautiful signal. Sadly, I wasn't at computer. I remember one stuff. I woke up and what I did, I opened Telegram and Discord to see if there are some urgent messages, maybe something like that. And what I found that some significant volume entered on Bitcoin Cash here. I saw Delta message. I received notification from big size bot. It was on Saturday. It was, why is that notification I received? It was exactly this one. Bitcoin Cash Delta reached 1426. I remember with my wife, we were in a city center and I came to home and I received this notification and I decided to go to shower and not to open a trade and have a look what Bitcoin Cash did from that moment. Let me show you. With my volume, guys, it would be a good thing. Let me, where is it? Bitcoin Cash here. Have a look. Bitcoin Cash did this high. I went into shower. When I came back, it was too late to take a trade because Bitcoin Cash already did more than like 2%. I came to, and after that, when I opened my computer, I saw Bitcoin Cash here. And it was a little bit bigger stop loss for me, this one. Sometimes you must be at computer when it's time. You need to know how to trade when the market give you opportunity, but do nothing when there's nothing to do. Link long, good idea. Explain why. Why you think at this moment good to take long on Link? Link at this moment, what Link did? Link retested really powerful area where massive volume traded several weeks ago. Here, I remember that area because here I took so beautiful short entry on Link, and Link dropped. Would you like to see this entry? when we took short here on link. Would you like to understand why I took short here? I have trader make money trade saved. Let me show to you. Valerian Leo. Valerian, by the way, where are you from? Where is it? Link trade. It was exactly this trade. Have a look on link. Have a look. I took link trade when price of link were at 820. Alert, guys. Magic took low, taking lower low. Let's open what's going on Magic. Maybe there's a significant delta. 2 mil SVP. But on Magic we need at least 10 mil. No, too small delta. We need at least 10 millions. Or at least 8 millions, something like that. From this delta, they did beautiful reversal. 11 millions. But this one's not enough. A delta too small on Magic for me to take a trade. I understand that open interest started rising. Here was quite beautiful liquidation, but still it's not enough for me to take a trade. If delta here would be at least, as I told you, at least 8 millions like this one, we would consider taking trade. But here to take a trade, it's not. That's not what I do. That's not my pattern. Leo, are you still here? Because I shared with you my beautiful trade on link. Here we took this beautiful trade. I made here only 600 USD, as you can see here. I made only 600. 629 USD we made on this trade. Let me show you. It was exactly this area, and have a look. Link exactly retested area where I took previous short entry, exactly, and bounced from it. What was a major reason why we took a trade here? Because there were massive rise in open interest, and that's really good for market reversal. Let me show you that open interest that get trapped there. Indicators. Open interest you. Open interest you. Have a look how open interest get trapped exactly into high. And from that significant open interest trap, I took this beautiful short entry. Honestly, again, we took short entry, booked 7%, and after that it dropped additional 31%. As you can see, sometimes guys, I help superpower. Sometimes I can find market reversal, but still I learning emotionally how to keep your trade, for example, for several weeks when you put big volume. Sometimes it's emotionally difficult. Share with me. For me, it's interesting how many of you have the same stuff. Write plus in the chat if sometimes for you it's difficult to hold a positive position, especially for days. Especially when it moved into your favor, like 10%, something like that. And at this moment, honestly, link in the middle of this range. And to take long after such significant rise, no. I would take long only if Link would take lower low several times, like this one they did. Lower low several times. After something like this, I would take long entry. Yeah, it's easier for me to scalp 1-2 and move on. Earlier for Matic, long you took the trade with the rise of open interest, not against it. When does it mean the reversal and when not, and for Delta also? No, friend, we teach this stuff in education program. You can join. It's we teach it there. You can join and you can learn with us because there must be a lot of examples and I won't be able to show all of them together today. And also people that bought education, they did it because we shared only there. That's why we respect them. At this moment, for Matic, still big chance for additional drop. Matic. Bitcoin Cash. Also, guys, Bitcash, big chance for lower low. Honestly, if Bitcoin Cash at this moment would do impulse reload with also big delta, at least nearly 20,000 on 15 minutes time frame, we would try to take some local SVP for Bitcash. And remember, some of you asked me about SVP examples. Tell me how many of you asked me about SVP examples. Sometimes market just give you opportunity after opportunity, but sometimes it's so boring, it's so unpleasant that you need to know how to do nothing. One level, another level. Okay, guys, at this moment, let's do additional 5 questions that I would like reply to, and maybe that would be end of this because I don't see good opportunities today. I just remind to you to subscribe to this channel because you'll find a lot of lessons on this channel that will help you learn order flow, will help you become profitable because on this live you so many times have we found exactly bottom and top of a market. It's not a coincidence. It is because we understand how market behave, and by following our lessons, our educational programs, you will learn how to do it also, and you will learn how to monetize it and make money on that stuff. Also below there would be a link by which you can join our community and become profitable trader with us. At this moment, let's do additional few questions because honestly, I don't see good opportunities that I would like to trade today. Market already dropped and there is no signal at this moment for reversal. For taking breakout trades, it is a little bit late because just because. That's why let's reply to some of your questions and finish this stream. Additional 5 questions and that's it. How do you draw a volume profile on a task? It's super simple. You have, I use hotkeys. I added hotkeys, but if you don't use a hotkey, you can use this one, the market profile plus TPO, and that's it. Here, market profile plus TPO. You can add a hotkey and by using that hotkey, build this stuff. According to my observation on weekly basis, if will be dumped to 1375. Honestly, it's 100% possible, because what I see by a market, I see that many coins pumped, and if Bitcoin, after breakdown of this significant trend line, would consider making drop at least into this area, but it's super possible just to make drop. But big problems that the open interest still didn't recover after, as you can see here, open interest still didn't recover after this significant drop. I think better if Bitcoin would retest 30K, and here we could start looking for a big drop for even 20,000, something like that. And if Bitcoin drops, believe me, whole entire market drops. Ethereum and all other coins. Alex not working on my task. What would I do? Man, what would you do? You can join our education program where my team will help you to set up it from A to Z. Link below in description. Do you know how to book your seat? How do you know what happened with you? I don't read your mind, something like that. Okay, guys, I see no other questions. What we will do on next stream? What we will do on next stream, as always, on next stream would be the same plan. It would be a live session. If that would be a good ideas, we will trade them. And on next stream, as always, I will prepare for you trades and ideas that you trade and ideas that you can trade. Also, I will share with you my statistics. That's why, remember, on next week, Monday, same time, we will do trades. About trades at this moment, that's example for you. When you have no ideas, no plans, no situations, better not to trade. You need to know how to trade, and you need to know how to avoid market if there is no a good situation. Please give me a discount on education. At this moment, about education, open, because there are several ways how you can work with education program. Open this link and fill a form. After that, my team will send you info about education. Just do it right now, and you can discuss about some to separate payment, for example, to do payment several times, or maybe some discount. This fill a form, like okay, for first 5 people that write to my team, I would tell them to give you some discount. If you choose to join our education plus signals program. I know that some of you join online signals, that's why there would be some discount. I would send to my team to discuss it, but fill a form, because they will only in that case they will write to you. Okay, friends, what also we can do next week? On next week, it would be first time. It would be a first time when I will do analysis of your trades. On next week, those of you who will prepare your trades and share it here in the chat, I will analyze those trades for you. Tell me at this moment, would it be really interesting for you? For those of you who is learning, who would like to learn. Okay, Mohammed, where did you write to my team? Jack, we can do this even today. If you have some trades, we can analyze your trades, like to do it first time, because I planned this stream 2 hours 30 minutes. I have additional few minutes, and if you can share with me some of your trades, send link. Just write at this moment into a chat if you can send a link. If yes, write into a chat. I will give you some feedback. Because in the future, guys, those of you shared in a private chat. Shared in a private chat. You mean in Discord? Ah, good. Good. Okay, Jack. Super. Okay, let's do. Oh, I see that you trade Runa so much. Okay. Let's open this one. Runa is a down and forming accessing accumulation pattern. Try to upload the picture if you can. Because when you upload the picture, even have a look those trades that I took and share here with people. Even within, imagine that this trade, I would be able to share my students that I work personally even within a year, and I would be able to show them how I found the exact place for market reversal and how delta really important. But without pictures, it's difficult because every person have different stuff on their mind, and that's why for the future it would be your first task: upload pictures. You took long here. About this entry, why this trade isn't the best? First, this trade price didn't hit at least key level. Coin already pumped a lot, and here was really massive volume at high. And when you look for a reversal after that, there must be, you can do it only when significant delta appears or price hit important levels. In other cases, trend became down. In that case, in other cases, it would be difficult to find reversal. This one. Emotions kick in, closed. Take profits, don't. I see you took really beautiful. I see you did it. You do really scalps, I can see. 2%. Tell me, Jay, do you like to trade exactly scalping, yes? Still, why only Rune? Why you traded this coin? Long, but still not. You must send screen before reasons why you took a trade, because in scalping. But what's the reason? Did you take entry after delta spike? Did you take a trade because some significant volume appeared in a cluster? Did you take a trade because you saw big buy on a spot market? There must be reason, explanation. Because of big movement. Big movement, it's not a reason. Coin rose so much. Plan and still go up to range, but liquidity grabs. Once more, main problem, you can see you have so many long trades while coin just dropping. After so big rise, have a look. They rose here on this coin. They rose by 138%. I can bet with bigger chance this coin would drop into this area. Rune here. SVP trade. Good limit entry, didn't take breakout. Beautiful. This one finally beautiful. Oh, you made 300 USD on this trade, yes? Beautiful trade. Because you took entry at level, priced it as VP. Have a look. Significant volume finally appeared at bottom. Do you see how big volume appeared here? And only after this volume, price did finally a beautiful pullback by 1.29%. That's good. This one, what you traded here? You traded former trade, holding support. You closed nearly at break even. My friend, what I need you to do in the future? Do you use ATAS for trades? I need to see examples, reasons why you take a trade. Example for you, Jack. Example for you, trading plans that I sent to you here on EPT. Example, Solana like. Do you see? That's example for you. How you share with me how you take a trade. You took Solana, you take a picture. That was my plan. Price test POC. Here we take a short. First screenshot you just did and send me first screenshot. After that, what you do? When price came, like a moment of entry, what you do? You open lower time frame and send me another screenshot like this one. Price hit POC, and what you do? You open like 5-minute time frame and you show me, okay, Yuri, have a look how price retested this level. And based on that, I can give you a whole feedback because I see a bigger picture and I see lower picture, like this one. Example for you, my plan on Solana. Have a look. Solana hit level delta 150K on Bybit and 290 on Binance. Insanely big delta. And poof, you pull and send to me 2 pictures. And after that, I understand reasons why you took it, area where you took it, and local pattern. And based on that, I just give you a feedback what you exactly need to do, you need to improve. That's it. That's why for the future, please give me such feedback with such pictures. Give me such pictures and explain to me first area where you took entry and second local reasons. There must be a bigger picture, key level, POC zone after liquidations, any of this stuff, and local picture. How price reached that level? Was it a liquidation? Was there a big sell-off on the volume? Anything. Just share it with me. You saw my trade in the chat. Yeah. Let me open your trade because Anastasia, for mid-day trading, which time frame is better? For mid time frame, what you do, still it is better combination of time frames. Better to do, Anastasia, from top to bottom. Like you start on a daily. What you do on a daily? You understand? At this moment, local trend is down. After big rise, they easily can retest, for example, like this area. Good. I have enough space for a moment. After that, you go to 4 hour. Very important levels. I see that price tested those levels and that could be continued. After that, you can go, for example, to 30 minutes. What is like local trend lines? Here's my local trend lines that I can trade. Good. And after that, you can go to 5 minutes to wait for exactly for local entry. From top to bottom, from top to bottom. From top to bottom. Okay, good. Okay, friends. That's why on next stream, prepare your trades, and for first 10 people, I would analyze their trades that will come to during next stream. remember to connect statistic service in order to do it. If you don't have statistic service, I don't know what you do in trading. That's it. Well, that's why. Just write plus into a chat if you have the statistic service. Write plus into a chat if you have statistic service connected to your account, and write minus if you don't have connected. For me, it's just important to know because plus or minus, have or don't have. Ethereum, guys, a big chance breakdown. Guys, once more, vote into a chat. Can I make a vote, for example? No, not this one. Can I make a vote in a chat about, do you have, is it possible to make a vote? Activate pop up on the chat, trigger times map center. No, I don't know how to do voting, top chat. Okay. Okay, guys, I need to go. Have a good time. Have a good evening. Thank you for being here. I hope next time there would be something like we did on Bitcoin Cash when we find exactly a reversal. I wish next Monday market would be way more active. Bye.